When learning to drive, you may at one point have wanted to be kind and flash another driver to pull out in front of you. After all, they want to get home and they've been in that junction for quite a while, only to then find your instructor told you off for flashing the other driver. But why is this? You're just trying to be kind and courteous.
Busy through Barby. This is because we've got some restrictions in place due to roadworks around the Green Court roundabout at the moment, and in York City Centre, busy on Wigginton Road and on the Maltmares Block.
Interesting, right? According to the Highway Code, Rule 110, flashing your headlights is to warn other road users that you are there. You do not use your flashing of your headlights to convey any other message, such as giving someone priority. As it hopefully would have been made clear in the clip, the reason for this rule is flashing headlights could encourage another road user to proceed when it's unsafe, particularly if they're a novice driver, such as a learner, or quite a nervous and anxious driver. It's okay to be courteous and help other drivers out. In fact, I'd really encourage it. If you do want to let someone go, firstly, slow your speed. Then, make eye contact with the other driver to make sure they've acknowledged you, and then let them make their own decision if they're going to pull out or not. By avoiding flashing and just slowing and making the eye contact, the other driver will be more aware, and there will be less chance of them forgetting to observe effectively at the junction. So does this mean we must never trust a flash and never pull out if someone's flashing us? No, it does not. It just means if someone flashes, we must proceed with caution. So, check the driver that's flashing you. Make sure they're giving way to you. So make sure they're slowing their speed and making eye contact with you. Also watch for any cyclists on motorcycles that may be overtaking them and not realising you're starting to pull out. Also, check the other direction at the junction, making sure you're happy with the speed and distance of any vehicles coming, ensuring you can pull out without causing them to slow, stop, swerve or swear. If you can do all these checks with these good effective observations, then you may proceed after someone's flashed you.